Alright, so if you want to become a DJ or just learn the art as a hobby, you will have to start by buying yourself a controller, some speakers and a pair of headphones. And if you're a complete beginner and if you have no clue what to buy, you can buy one of these. Let's talk more about it. Hello there boys and girls, my name is Deep. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related videos, so if this interests you, please consider subscribing. Alright, what do we have here? This is a shipment from France and I knew this was coming, but what I didn't know was this thing. Let's open this envelope and see what Hercules has sent us. Okay. Oh, some stickers. Check this out. Eat, sleep, mix, repeat. Nice. I wonder what these are. This is not written in English. Let's open one. Oh, okay. I think, oh yeah, this is a mask. Check this out, guys. Not bad, eh? What does it say here? Show your show your mix, not the mouth. Nice. Thank you so much for these, Hercules. I'm gonna ship these away to a few random subscribers, so if you're interested to win one of these, just don't forget to hit that subscribe button and message me on Instagram. I'll randomly ship them to you guys. This is mine. I'm gonna ship these to you. Alright, time for the star of the show. Ladies and gentlemen, this here is the DJ Starter Kit by Hercules. And inside you get yourself a controller, a pair of monitors and a pair of headphones, all from Hercules. And you also get a copy of Serato DJ Lite, which I think is a great DJ software to begin with. Buying this one box is all you need to get started as a DJ. This box is big and I'm assuming that there are a lot of little boxes inside of this. So let's quickly unbox this and see what all we get inside of the boxes. Let's unbox. Now as I unbox this kit, let me also mention that this box here also makes a great gift box for your child or a friend who is interested in the art of DJing. The first thing that you're presented with when you open this box is the Hercules DJ Control Starlight Controller. This followed by a box with Hercules HDP DJ M40.2, which is a pair of DJ headphones. Next comes the biggest box in the kit, which is the Hercules DJ Monitor 32. I'm particularly excited about this one. And at last, a box with extra power cables for the compatible wall outlet in your region. And there you have it. Those are all the things you get in this big box. Now let's open all these boxes one by one, starting with the Hercules DJ Control Starlight. This controller comes in a small box because this is an ultra compact DJ controller which is very portable. And when you remove the controller from inside, the MIDI cable sneaks out from under the controller. Don't lose that. This controller is also unique because it has RGB LED lights underneath that light up along with the music you play, removing it from its protective cover and keeping aside the quick start guide. Let's flip it right side up, and this is how the controller looks. First look, and I absolutely love it. The build quality is brilliant and the buttons are clicky. The faders are smooth and this controller packs all the features needed to mix and scratch with Serato DJ Lite. This is where you connect the MIDI cable that connects to your laptop. And this is where you can connect the speakers. And since this comes with a built-in audio interface, it lets you connect your headphones here so you can pre-listen your mix before playing it out loud for the audience, which is perfect for learning how to mix. The controller packs all essential features like the bass equalization, filter knobs, tempo adjust faders, cue buttons, a crossfader, touch sensitive jog wheels, small but nice for easy scratching, and much more, all in a compact, lightweight package. Let me put this next to a DDJ 400 for comparison, and this is how that looks. And also my OnePlus 7T. You can see that this is small and portable. Before I plug this in, let's open the next box that comes with the kit, and that is the speakers. These are the Hercules DJ Monitor 32, a pair of active monitor speakers. The box is slightly heavy, which tells me that these speakers are no joke. Opening the box and you're presented with easy to install instructions and the product documentation. The product is packed very well, and under the cardboard crate, you will see the speakers and all the necessary cables. Let's keep the cables and the box aside and check out the speakers. Nice. This is the left speaker and this is the right speaker. The speakers look amazing with that yellow highlight, and they have a shiny piano finish around the 3-inch speaker units. The speaker box is made out of high quality MDF and it has a nice wooden texture on the top. Behind the left speaker, you have just the connection port that lets you connect this with the right speaker that holds all the guts of this pair. The speakers have a 1-inch tweeter that is protected with this plastic on the front, and it has 2 forward-firing bass vents, which I think is amazing as they can be placed closer to the walls. The right speaker here has the volume knob on the front along with the power indicator, and at the back you have the power on-off button, the power cable port, the output port for the left speaker, and the input ports for the cable that connects to your controller or computer. Let me show you all the cables as well. This is the power cable, a regular audio cable with 2 RCA jacks on one end and a 3.5mm jack on the other, and this trusty red and black audio cable to connect the right speaker to the left one. And that's all you get in this box. I will show you how to plug all this in, but let's open the last 2 boxes as well. This next box in the kit is a pair of headphones. These are the Hercules HDP DJ M40.2 headphones. They come in a very simple box inside the kit, but usually when you buy a pair of headphones from Hercules, you get them in a nice box like this one. These are the HDP 45, which I unboxed earlier, and both of these headphones are very similar to each other. Let's quickly take these out of the box and see what we have. Nice. First impressions, and I can tell that the build quality is brilliant. I like the matte black finish on these. These are closed back on-ear headphones with rotating ear cups. It comes with a long coiled cable that can help you move around and jump and dance as you mix. The ear cups can pivot in all directions, and you can also fold them in to make them a compact enough package to put it in the bag and carry along. No doubt they are built well. The headband is strong and the overall look and feel is amazing. The cable has a 3.5mm jack, and it comes with a 1/4-inch connector that lets you connect this to any mixer or controller out there. The last box in the kit has additional cables that can be used to connect the speakers to the compatible outlet in your region. And that's it. These are all the things in the box. The DJ Starter Kit with all the things you need to get started in your DJing journey. Now let me show you how to put them together. Setting up is very easy. Let's start with the speakers. To connect the speakers together, start with connecting one end of the red and white cable at the back of the right speaker and the other end to the left speaker. Up next, connect the RC cables to the red and white input port at the back, and in the end, connect the power cable. And you're done with setting up the speakers. Now let's connect the DJ Starlight controller to the laptop. Make sure you have Serato DJ Lite installed in your laptop first. Open the software and plug in the USB cable to the laptop. On the controller, connect the 3.5mm jack to the master out and then plug in the other end of the USB cable to the controller here. And you will see the controller light up. And that's it. You're all set and ready to drop some tunes for your friends. Connect your headphones to the headphones jack and you can learn how to mix and begin your journey as a DJ. After using the Hercules DJ controlled Starlight for a while, I can tell for sure that this controller is no joke. It's powerful and it has all the necessary functions that are required to do basic DJing and also get creative while mixing. You can actually use these jog wheels to scratch and they are very responsive. The 4 pads on the controller has multi-layer functionality like hot cues, loops, effects and sampler. The tempo adjust faders are small but very accurate. They definitely get the job done. And the LED lights at the bottom strobe according to the music and they can be really helpful to learn beat matching as you also have visual feedback of each and every beat. All of this is only possible thanks to Serato DJ Lite, which is powerful to say the least. When you download the software, you also get some free music, so you don't have to hunt for music as soon as you set all this up. The speakers are my favorite thing in the box. They may look small in size, but they definitely pack a punch. I'm particularly surprised with how good the bass is on these little speakers. The quality is brilliant and they sound very clean. They can get really loud and these are more than enough to fill a room with sound. The DJ style headphones are perfect for beginners. They look really good and they sound brilliant. Paired with the DJ Control Starlight and they can get really loud, and that should be more than enough to learn how to mix. So there you have it, the amazing Hercules DJ Starter Kit with everything in one box, which is easy to plug in and compact enough to carry it around wherever you like. But let me make this clear, this is a complete beginner's DJ kit. So if you're someone who is curious about the art form and you want to give it a go, you can go for this. If you're a parent and if you want to gift your child a new hobby, you can go for this. If you're an enthusiast and even if you have no plans of becoming a DJ but you still want to have a DJ system at home so that you can play some music and impress your friends for your house parties, you can definitely go for this. Alright, now let's talk about the price. The Hercules DJ Starter Kit, all of these things combined, is available at a fair price of Rs 19,000 here in India, and the price varies depending on where you live in the world. But I'm sure that you will spend a lot more if you go ahead and buy all these things separately. I mean, just the speakers here cost 11,000 rupees here in India. And for just 8,000 rupees more, you get yourself a pair of headphones and this amazing DJ controller, which I'm definitely going to carry wherever I go, even if I'm traveling not only for work, but even for pleasure. I'd like to carry this around. Maybe I can make some Instagram reels and post them whenever I like. So just for 8,000 rupees more, you get yourself a pair of headphones and this amazing DJ controller, which I think is a great deal. So if you're interested to buy this for yourself, I'll leave links to buy this down in the description box. You can click on those links and buy this for yourself. I will soon upload a lot of DJ routines on my Instagram using just this setup so I can show you the true potential of all of this. If you're interested in that, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'd like to say thanks to Hercules for sending me all of these products all the way from France, and I'm really happy to know that they recognized my YouTube channel and they liked my previous work. Thank you so much, Hercules. Well, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you guys got to learn something new. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might be interested in DJing. And while you're at it, it'll be nice if you can click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And remember, if you're interested to get these or this, just subscribe and message me on Instagram and I will send these to you for free, randomly. That's been it. My name is Deep and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.